Hi guys, thank you for joining me for another video and welcome if you're new. Today I needed to clean my dishwasher, my washing machine, and my Keurig. So the first thing I'm doing is unloading the dishwasher so I can get started.
Don't even know about what I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother.
If you guys are new here, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina and I'm a full-time working wife who absolutely loves creating cleaning, organization, and lifestyle content. If that's something you're interested in, then please click the red subscribe button below so you can join my family because I would absolutely love to have you.
I know I would. Waking up early in the morning without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
I wanted to hand wash the dirty dishes that were in the sink because of course I'm cleaning the dishwasher, so I didn't want to put those in there. And now I'm just removing the filter and the cover so I can wash those, and you will see that it is pretty gross.
Realizing in the middle of the night, I'm glad you're gone. I'm glad you're gone. I never had it so good. Baby, I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I never had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
Please leave me a comment down below and let me know how often you wash out your dishwasher. I had never done this before, so that's why the filter was so grimy, but it did feel good to go ahead and be taking care of it now.
Got the strangest feeling, ever so appealing. In the back of my mind, I know what's right. Like a lash in my wrap, coming out on a wing. Set my heart on fire, steal the night. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to believe in me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round. Got the best intentions, never turn against you. Got you covered and all my love is yours. On the stormy mountains, in the raging weather.
Once you put the filter back in, the first step is to take 1 cup of distilled white vinegar and you put it on the top tray of the dishwasher, and then you run it on the hottest and longest cycle that your dishwasher has.
Heartbeat, I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round. How many times do we fall?
Once I get the dishwasher going on the heavy setting with the high temperature, that's my longest and hottest, I move on to my Keurig, something else that I do not clean often enough. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that as well using the same distilled white vinegar. I was just pointing out that you fill it to the max fill line, and then you just run it through multiple times until it's close to empty. When it gets near the bottom, it'll tell you that you need more water, and I'll just add enough to finish off the vinegar before I run several more cycles through with just water. You can see there how brown it was, and I just keep doing it until it's completely clean. And then the last couple of cycles, I use the filtered water from my refrigerator because I don't want to risk having any vinegar taste at all the next time we make our coffee.
Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion.
I now feel satisfied that all of the vinegar is gone, so I'm going to wash out the basin and the lid, and you'll see in just a minute that I run the filtered water through one more time because I am so funny about making sure that there is absolutely no vinegar taste left.
My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow.
If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, if you like cleaning and organization content in general, click the red subscribe button below. I would love for you to join my family.
When soon enough I also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Let it flow. Summer love. Oh, I wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I loved you when
If you guys are on Instagram, please follow me over there at crystal_renee_lifestyle.
we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time you say
next thing I needed to do was to clean my washing machine, and I used the Fresh tabs, and this was actually my last one, so I have to get some more, but I did want to just wipe down the machines really quick. And then you just put the Fresh tab in the bottom of the machine, and if it has a clean cycle, you just run the clean cycle. If you don't have that on your machine, just run it on the hottest water setting that you can, and it should work just fine. And if you guys are interested in seeing a more thorough laundry room cleaning video, I will link one below that I've previously done, so you can check that out after this one.
Be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get hurts every time you say you'll be mine.
The Fresh cleans just more of the tub of the washing machine, so I like to wipe down the top as well as the fabric softener dispenser before I run it. I usually take that dispenser to the sink and clean it with really hot water, but it wasn't that bad today, so I just used the method that I was using on the machine to kind of give it a head start before the Fresh knocks everything out.
I said some things I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets green, I lose my...
The dishwasher was still going, and the Keurig was clean, and now the washing machine was going. I had some clothes in the dryer, so I decided to throw in just a little bit of laundry motivation for you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
Our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets green, I lose my shape. I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, in my plan, just you. Am I there? And yours too.
The dishwasher had finished the first round of cleaning, and all you're gonna have in your cup is water, so you just dump that out, and then you pour a cup of baking soda in the bottom of the dishwasher. It just helps to get rid of any remaining grime, and it also deodorizes.
2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5.
When you sprinkle the baking soda in the bottom of the dishwasher, you're just gonna run this one on the shortest setting that you have. And I have to say, the results of this were amazing. Our dishwasher did not smell bad, but it was incredible once it was done. My husband, who's very sensitive to odors, was like, oh my goodness, this smells brand new. It looked better even though I didn't see a whole lot of dirt, so I just highly recommend doing this. And don't forget, I have my laundry room cleaning video linked below if you're interested in a little more of that type of motivation. And don't click off just yet, because at the very end you will get a couple of recommended videos that you can check out to see if you like even more of my content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for spending the time with me. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.